Hello. I just want to make an additional video to the SMT break alignment shifting, blah blah blah. Yeah. So basically, I actually want to start with. Let's see here. I want to start with saying. Okay, so first of all, this trade it was up, I think, 20R or something. Yeah, 20R. I just want to explain this trade to begin with. We can begin there, okay? So what we had was that I wanted lower prices, still lower prices, because I think we want to expand today. And it was right here, and NQ was just shopping around, like doing not anything at all. While YM at this point and ES at this point also was basically just pooping themselves and going down. And that's where this theory comes in. Is there a price level that YM and ES has reached that NQ hasn't, that is stopping NQ from going further down? That's what I want to look for, okay? Perfect, 100% correct there. That's what I want to look for, first of all. So I'm looking, right? I'm looking at my levels to the left, and I'm seeing how we're taking out the 49 and 47 level on YM and ES, which we hadn't at the time on ES, and we hadn't on the we hadn't on the ES, the 49 level, and we hadn't on YM 949 level, and the 47 not either, as you can see. So these levels are not significant to me. I go further down to the further to the left, and I see that we have the 41 level and 40 and 30. You can see all the things, right? So my first thing was my eyes were drawn to the 41 level, so I was looking 41, and we did take out the 49 level on ES, as you can see, or on a YM. And then did we do it on the ES? Yes, we have. We have actually taken the 41 level out, and that is when I am starting to look okay. And we did just take out the 41 level, while we are pushing down on ES and YM, and we're looking for lower prices. We still have lower prices to eat up, and before I go in further than that, I want to explain why I didn't go to the 40 and check on the 38 level, because I haven't actually thought of that myself, but I want to dive deeper to it. So we have the 40 level that we didn't take out on YM, 40 level that we didn't take out on ES as well, and that then there's no reason for us to take it out on NQ to continue down, right? Same with the 38, I guess. I'm gonna check this, double check. Didn't take out the 38, and we didn't take out the 38. So this is not of importance to us, these levels here, but this level, the 41 level, and that's what I do. So I go to the, I'm out of breath. I go to the 41 high, I mark it out. Then I go to lower time frames, and I'm looking for this is the external sweep of the 41 level. Then I look for an internal, the external here, then the internal on the other blue line, and then I was actually let's see here, external and internal. This entry is not correct because I didn't have that much drawdown. I entered, must have been here. Yeah, it was here. It was actually right before the dump, which seems suspicious. But the thing is, the idea behind this trade is that we took external, took internal. When we took internal, there's no reason for us to go higher. I know I could have a broader stop. I could have it like here. There's no reason to go higher. And that's where I take my entry, and then we dump immediately and we just flush down. And that's basically the idea of this thing further in depth. I think the last video was more about the higher time frames, and this is more like the lower time frames, how you can utilize it. And also I want to show like a failed level that I want to explain. I was looking at the 10 o'clock level as well, because after we came down, we were still going up here. So I was like, what are we waiting for? At this point, I was like, what are we waiting for? Why are we not flushing? And then I saw the which levels else that we took out, and we took out these levels, but they were not important. Then I saw the 10 o'clock level that we took out and the 10:01. So that's what I marked out on ES and YM, because we did take it out on NQ, but we didn't on YM and on let's see here. Yeah, yes, we did take it out. So I was looking for us to take that level out on YM. And then I also saw the 10 o'clock level. So the thing is, I saw the 10 o'clock level that we took it out on all of the indices. They could also the 10:01 level, and we took them out on all the indices here on YM as well. And that's when I was thinking, okay, we're going down. This was at 10:14, right? So I was like, okay, we're gonna continue down. But that's when I saw that we were not doing anything on NQ. We were actually even pushing higher and taking and we took these high out as well. We took the 940 level out, and 940 we didn't do any. We don't have any reason to take out 940 because we haven't like done anything on it. But still, we took it out on NQ, and and for me, if we want to react off the 10 o'clock level, then we want to react down in all of the indices immediately. So at 10:21, when we did take that high out, I think 21, yeah, on ES as well, we took the 952 and 953 level. This was actually my main confidence, that we took the 952 and 53 level out on ES, which there's no reason to do it. If we took out the 10 o'clock and 10:01 level here at 10:14 or 10:13 actually. Here. No, we took it out before that. Doesn't matter. We've taken it out. Then we want to react down when YM takes it, right? But we didn't. We took this liquidity out once again at the 52 and 53 level. And if we look at the 52 and 53, we haven't taken that out on YM, but we have taken it out on NQ. So that's when we have our SMT that needs to be broken, because we have taken it out on NQ, and now that's the deal breaker. Now we decided to take it out on ES. And when two indices has taken a level out and the third hasn't, that's a good sign that we want to take it out. And that's exactly what I got at 10:21 when, oh shit, we're taking that level out, these levels out. Why are we doing that? So that's why it was a little bit delayed, because I had at 10:21 I didn't see this, I didn't realize it. But then I saw that, and I was also seeing that we have taken up previous day's low, which I think the Friday's low, right? It's here. Which low is that even? Oh yeah, here it is. The Thursday's low, right? We've taken the Thursday's low out on YM, and YM has already done its work. As you can see, it's done a lot of movement, and it wouldn't be weird to actually retrace, and especially during the macro. So that's when I was like, okay, so we've done this. We've taken this level out on two of the indices. Oh shit, my mic is on. Perfect. We've taken this level out on two indices, but we haven't on YM, and YM is still here. While NQ actually did move up here, and ES here. So, and the thing is, while I have this bias, NQ doesn't need to move up with YM. Neither does ES have to do. Because YM is obviously these assets are correlated, but obviously not 100% all the time. That's why we have these inefficiencies, right? So the only thing I'm looking at now is YM. Okay, it actually looks good. We took out previous day low. We did make you can call it market structure shifts, change the delivery, all of this ICT pattern trading stuff, moving to the 50% equilibrium of the move while in a fair value gap. I mean, this is the textbook setup if you have the right context. And right now I have the right context. As everything I just explained, we need to purge this level. We need to go to the 52, 53 level in order for us to maybe continue moving them down or further up. I don't care, as long as we hit this level, right? That's when I'm done. So that's when I didn't take any trade, but I wrote I put this risk reward thing out. And yeah, that's the idea behind it all. NQ can dump 1,000 points if he wants to, and ES can rally 1,000 points if he wants to. Know, I don't care. What YM's gonna do is he gonna rally whatever this is, 50 points, 48 points, until this level, 52. Or actually, I'm gonna have my take profit at 53. Let's see here. 52, 53. Yeah, 53. That's because I'm not risking this little amount, because I'm sure that this is the correct level, not this, because they're so intact, these two. But probably the 52 level is going to get hit. So that's the idea behind that, and that's basically all of the video that I want to explain. And yeah, the last thing is, as I just previously said, YM is the asset, the only asset that's in the spotlight right now, and that's I think I need to learn that while NQ is shopping or ES is shopping, doesn't matter who, then we need to look at the third or second or whatever the asset and see what that's doing, because that's probably actually moving, because now the liquidity is going to pump this shit up until this level while NQ is shopping and ES is shopping. What I'm actually expecting, until YM has reached this high, NQ is not gonna move. It's not gonna flush here. But actually, it does. It's not of any concern. It's not of any concern of mine, because it doesn't matter. But what I'm saying is that we can expect us to continue being in this range. Most probably, I think we're gonna move back into the range right now, and then we're gonna continue to shop. Maybe grind down, maybe grind up, or maybe just shop. But we're not gonna make any explosive moves up or down, because that's what YM is doing. The headlights are on YM right now. So that's what I want to explain. That, and also it's important to know and to recognize what asset is going to move. Which asset do I want to put my money in? Because I mean, okay, we're gonna move up. That doesn't mean we're gonna move up in all of the indices. I wouldn't take a long. I mean, if I were to take a long at 1021 on NQ, I would be deep down in the red right now. Well, on YM, I would actually make a lot of money. And the ES, yeah, somewhere in the middle. I don't know. It's just shopping around. And let's see if target's gonna be reached. You see these movements. It's just, you can clearly see that all of the headlights are on YM. And when we reach this level, that's when we can start to look for shorts in all of the other indices. But then we want to do the process all over again, right? We want to find levels that two of the indices haven't found, and the third that or haven't taken, and the third index that hasn't taken the level, that's the index that we want to trade. That's the index that we want to short, right? So let's say YM and ES has taken two levels now, and NQ hasn't. And let's say it's this level, okay? Then we would want to look for NQ to purge this level to then move down. If we have a target further down, that's not obvious, obviously. I mean, YM is finished for the day. I wouldn't look for taking any more shorts in YM because it's already done its shit. But NQ, it has a lot of price to eat up. It has 2-day open, weekly open, daily open. Previous day low is all the way down here. I mean, we do have a lot of work. The London lows, is still intact. So we have a lot of work to do if you want to. See if we did we take that high out. 53 level. See if we do it. And the thing is, this could be like a setup. Like people see this turtle soup and want this 1 minute to inverse, and that's the. I mean, when you have the things that I say in mind, you're on the other side of the. You could say you're not retail. You could say, but it's a little bit of facts in that. If I were to be correct, then I'm gonna continue this video and see if we are gonna get a reaction down from this level, or if we're not. Just to prove my point. But yeah, so already now we can start to look for levels that NQ, YM, and ES that where some of the indices has taken, but the third hasn't taken it. And now I would like to go to the 5 minute first, because it's pretty annoying to scroll on the 1 minute over such big periods. So we did take the 950 level out on ES. We did take the 950 level out on YM, obviously. And I think we did it on NQ as well. We need to be precise or clear. Yeah, we did. Okay, so what else do we have? If we let's say, yeah. So we taken, let's see if we go to the YM. We have taken the 955 level out. We haven't done it on ES. And we have done it on NQ, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So the 955 level is a level that we have taken out on ES or on YM. We have taken it out on. Let's see here. Where am I? 94. Yeah, 955. No, am I stupid? Yeah, I sort of am. Actually. Wake the fuck up. 955 taken out. 955 taken out. Okay. I just need to refocus. I don't know. Let's see. We haven't taken the. So NQ has taken out basically all of the levels that YM and N, or that it can take out. The only thing is 935. I'm gonna go to the 3 minute. Okay, let's see. 939. I'm gonna use that. Let's see if we have anything. And this is part of it. You need to browse and search for levels that has been taken out that the other hasn't. 939. Okay, let's use this. 48. What is that? Let's see 48 as well. Taken out. 948 has been not taken out. So we're gonna use 948, and we're gonna use 9. See 9. Oh, what am I doing? No, it's only gonna be 939 because 948 we have taken out on only NQ, not on ES and YM. And that's one index that we have taken out on, which is not strong. We need 2 indices. And 939 we have taken out on NQ. We have taken it out on let's see here. I'm fucking tripping. I need to find fucking levels. Let's do 945. Hasn't taken out. 945 taken out. We're gonna use 945. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna use 945. Okay, let's do that. So 945 we've taken out on NQ and on ES. Let's actually see 939 as well. $48, $45. Let's remove 45 or 48. Sorry. 39. This okay. So I'm gonna use this 45 and see if it's gonna work. Okay, take profit there. Can remove this. Doesn't matter. I know it's confusing. But this is the work you have to do, I guess, to find levels. So 945 taken out. See if we have any other levels. We did take the 939 out, and that's a level of importance to me. because that's the level that we reacted off. So we're gonna have 939 drawn out, and we're gonna have 945. Why is 48 still? Oh, it's 45. 45. We're gonna have these levels. What else levels did we have? Not 36. 1003 is very far down, obviously. We're taking 33 out on NQ. I haven't done that on YM. I haven't done it on AS. We need at least one. 39 taken out. 39 not taken out. 51 not taken out. 51, that's the level. Okay, that's the level. Yep. Obviously it's 51 because that's my target for this trade. And C, maybe it was the right decision to actually, no, not 51, sorry. Was the 52. But see how I took profits on the 53 level because I wasn't sure if 53, 52 was the level. That could be the thing playing out right now. And that's where you could look for taking shorts. But hear me out now. Not gonna take shorts on YM because the target is already reached. If you want to take shorts, we're gonna take shorts at the minute that YM take out the level that we want to take out. So the 53 level taken out on YM at 1049 on NQ. We're gonna look for a market structure shift on the lower time frames at 1049. 1049 is approaching here. Market structure shift here. Maybe the 1 minute is better, but I guess we could enter off 2% of the move. There we have it, and that could be our entry. So like that. Let's stop at the highs. Whoops. So I just want to show you that now, if NQ wants to move further down, which I'm kind of anticipating, then this is the time. Hear me out, not the level, the time. So fucking goofy. This could be the time that we want to do that, right? Because YM took the high out at 1049, and 1049 is going to be that intact high. And this fair value gap needs to hold, or this order block. Obviously, so yeah, pretty obvious. And now, when we have all these things aligned, we can also see how everything else is aligning. 50% is aligned. Do we have anything else? Let's see the levels. What level is that? It's a previous important high that we're writing off, this line here. But yeah, so what I want to say is, now, because I'm not sure if the target is reached or no, because I don't know if the 52 level is the one that should be valid or the 53. But as long as you have your probability on your side, it doesn't matter, or it doesn't matter. You know what I mean. The 53 level is reached on all of the indices, NQ, ES, and YM, and is correlated. And it's a good thing that I didn't find any else levels that were not correlated or that we have taken out on two indices, because that pretty much proves that we don't have any more levels above here that we want to actually purge to allow NQ to actually move further down. And I know I said that the third index is what we want to trade if when we reach a level, but because YM has already done its work today, previous day low, it could move further down, but I don't want to take the trade on that because it could be just chop, and it could actually just not happen, the move, while NQ is still in a deep or high premium, and that's the asset that we could expect volatility and moves from, right? Yeah, ES took the 39 high, the 1039 high actually, not the 939, which all of the indices. So now we're pretty much correlated on all indices. And so this is where we want to dump on NQ. Not this pace, but this time. Right, like right now we want to see a dump in the upcoming minutes. If there's only one reason that we can't dump now, and that's if this is the real level that YM wants to take out. And then and only then we can dump. So either we dump now or we dump when YM has taken out that level. And it's just for time to decide. We have our stop loss intact and we have our take profit intact. When I take profit, I can actually just correct previous day low. Let's do that one. Yeah, 25k, which is the previous day low, the weekly open. Oh, that's the previous low, weekly open, daily open. I'm gonna use the weekly open and daily open. That's also the part of the new week opening gap, right? Yeah, which is a pretty nice target. So 25k on the dot. Wait, is that right? Oh yeah, okay, I'm gonna move my take profit further. Oh no, I wasn't aware of that. Here we have it. So, and the thing is, right now, I don't care if it hits stop loss or take profit, because as I said, it could hit stop loss, because you can never be 100% certain. Because right now, I'm actually unsure if this is the right level or if this is the right level, because they were so intact. The one I'm going to show you, they were so intact here, or here, sorry. Oh, let's see, what level was it? 9552 on the ES, right? So we're right here. These levels, 952 and 53. I wasn't sure if the 52 level or the 53 level is the correct one. And most probably it's actually the 52 level, because we took it out on ES and we took it out on NQ, and then we need to take it out on YM. So most probably we're going to take it out on YM. We're going to push this high until to this level. So everything is very good aligned on all of the everything, basically everything that you can wish to be aligned, except that YM can take that level out. And the thing is, even if YM goes further up and take that high out, it's not certain that NQ is going to hit my stop loss. So I can just sit on my hands, sit still in this trade, let YM take that high, let YM not take that high, let NQ take that high, let NQ not take that high. It doesn't matter. I've done my work and now I wait. But that's the idea of the whole thing. I hope this I explained pretty good to myself. To everyone else, doesn't matter. I just need to understand it for myself.